Hello guys, I am Jayant Verma. As you have already seen the title of the video, Kickstart 2020 Round B Bus Route Problem. So first I'll advise you to go read the problem first and then come to the video. If you haven't read the problem statement yet, I'll add a link in the description. Just go there and read the problem. Okay. So as you've read the problem, there's a person named Bucket. She wants to complete her journey by the countryside, and in order to do so, she has to uh, go through n checkpoints, and on every checkpoint, she has to take a bus, and she has to complete her journey in D days. Also, it says that she has to start her journey as late as possible. She has to start her journey as late as possible, and we have to calculate. Uh, we have to find out the day on which she should start her journey so that she could finish on the D days and start her journey as late as possible. Okay, so to simplify, I've taken a test case from the problem. So test case is first. So she has to complete her journey in 10 days, and there are three checkpoints. She has to take bus A at the first checkpoint, bus B at the second checkpoint, and bus C at the third checkpoint. Also, these buses come in a specific order. For example, the bus A will come on every third day. This means that it will come on the third day, on the sixth day, on the ninth day, and so on. The bus B will come on the seventh day, the 14th day, and so on. And the bus C will come on the second day, fourth day, sixth day, and so on. Okay, so we have to find out the day on which she starts her journey as late as possible. Okay, now how do we solve this? Now, in order to approach this problem, also this problem says that she has to catch the buses in this order only. First she'll have to catch the bus A, then she'll have to catch the bus at B, then she'll have to catch the bus at C. Okay, so the order should be like this. Now what I'm going to do is that we're going to solve the problem like this. Actually our approach is like this, but the problem is getting solved in the same manner like this only. Okay, so don't get confused. Now how do we approach this problem? First of all, I will ask you to imagine a scenario that you're going to your school, right? And you're going to school and you're standing at a bus stop. Okay, and there's a bus at the bus stop that comes every 15 minutes, right? Now I will ask you that in a span of 1 hour, how many times will the bus come at the bus stop? Well, you'll simply say that 60 minutes are there, and we have to find out how many times the bus will come. The bus comes at every 15th minute, so the answer is 4, a total of 4 times. Now I'll say to you that you have to board the bus as late as possible and still reach the school. So the bus will come at the 15th minute, the 30th minute, the 45th minute, also at the 60th minute. Now I'm telling you to board the bus as late as possible and still reach your school. So what will you do? You will just board the bus at the 60th minute. Okay, so how do you reach this? So we know that the bus will come in the multiples of 15, right? On the 15th minute, 30th minute, 45th minute, and 60th minute. Also we have set a condition that the bus should come in the span of 1 hour. How many times the bus should come in the span of 1 hour? So 4 times the bus will come in a span of 1 hour. Also now I'm telling you to board the bus as late as possible. So it's simply 4 into 15, this term only. this term only, this term, because we know that the bus will come in the multiples of 15, right? Also, we have specified the condition that we have to start our journey as late as possible, as late as possible. So we know that in a span of 60 minutes the bus will come at the bus stop at a total of 4 times, and it will at a total of 4 times, and we have to board the bus as late as possible. So simply we'll multiply it by 15, I mean this term. So we'll get 60, so we can board the bus at the 60th minute. Okay, so this is the logic. We'll use this logic on the main problem. Okay, so first, yeah, so first I would like you to focus on this term, on the bus C. So the bus C comes at every second day, right? So in a span of 10 days, first forget these two things. Forget the bus B and bus A. Okay, just focus on bus C. So in a span of 10 days, how many times will the bus come at the stop C? So you'll simply say 10 divided by 2, you'll get 5. Okay, so a total of 5 times the bus will come at the bus stop. Now I'm telling you to board the bus as late as possible and still reach your destination under 10 days or in 10 days. So what you'll do is simply multiply it by this term or this term only, and you'll get the answer as 10. So what this actually means that this bus C will come on the days that are multiples of 2, right? On the second day, the fourth day, the sixth day, the eighth day, and the 10th day. Now I've also added that you should complete your journey in 10 days, under 10 days, or in 10 days. So, and start your journey as late as possible. So simply you will multiply it with this term. Okay, so this logic is somehow directing us towards a particular formula, right? So what is the formula? So the formula we get is that if we want to reach a destination in D or under D days and start a journey as late as possible, first we will calculate that how many times the bus will come at the bus stop in D days. So that's x of I. So for simplification I will take this array as x. Okay, right? Now x of I multiply by first we have to solve this. You can also say that uh, this is just the division function. This gives us the quotient. Okay, the integer value, the quotient. First we'll solve this, then we'll multiply it with this term itself to find out the latest day possible, so that we can reach a journey and start a journey as late as possible. So this will give me the answer on which day should I start my journey. Okay, so this tells me that on the bus C tells me that I can board the bus on the 10th day. Now I'll come at the bus B. Okay, I'll come at the bus B. Okay, now first I'll rub this off. Wait a minute. Sorry, I'm not familiar with paint. Okay, so I don't know how to increase the size of the eraser. Pardon me. Now, now, yes. Now we have to board the bus at the station B, or the bus B. We have to board the bus B. Now we have to find that on which day. The first we'll find that how many times the bus B will arrive in a span of 10 days. 10 divided by 7, this will give us 1, right? So it's quite obvious, right? The a bus that comes on every 7th day, how many times will it come in a span of 10 days at the bus station? Obviously only one time. Now I have to board the bus as late as possible. I'll multiply it with this term, it will give me 7. Now Actually, this is the only way we can board the bus. Okay, we have to board the bus on the seventh day, or else we'll miss the bus. Okay, so now it is obvious that I have a new D. Okay, I have a new D. D means this. First D was 10, now D is 7. First the D was 10, now D is 7. Now we'll arrive at the bus A. Now first we'll find out that how many times the bus A will arrive in 7 days. So 7 divided by 3, this will give me 2 times. The bus will come 2 times at the bus station. Now I want to find on which day should I start my journey so that I can reach my destination under 7 days or in 7 days, but still start my journey as late as possible. So if a bus comes 2 times in a span of 7 days, that for a bus that comes on every third day, it'll come on the third day and on the sixth day. Now I want to start my journey as late as possible. I want to board the bus on the sixth day. So actually the formula gives me the correct answer. So 2 multiplied by this term only, this term, and it will give me 6. And that's actually the answer of this test case. I start my journey on the sixth day. Okay, so this is how we reach this point. Okay, so I'll just quickly explain you again. So we were asked to finish a journey, to start a journey as late as possible and still finish under 10 days or in 10 days. Okay, so we can first we'll board the bus on the sixth day. The bus A will board the bus on the sixth day, then we'll board the bus B on the seventh day, and then we'll board the bus C on the eighth day. Right? You got it? Now